old X2 here. Has not ran in forever. Throttle still moves. Button still works. Choke works. A bunch of oil in here. So maybe the tank has an oil leak. But at least the carb's covered. We're going to pull the plug and see what they look like. Alright, we got some WD-40 plugs are out. Oh no, that's all she wrote. But the plugs, look at these plugs. There's cylinder 1. Little rust on that one. Cylinder 2. Not bad looking. Alright, let's see what happens. Turn that on. Wow. Diddly squat, nothing happened. Let's see. Let's swap it out. Maybe the solenoid. Turns over pretty good. Alright. Let's see how this thing works. Put a little gas in it. The good old method. Move it out of the way. Alright, here we go. Choke. It fired for a second. It works. Yeah. And FYI, I am using gas with premix in it. That's a little weird right there. I don't hear any major clickings or anything, so I think it's not a bad deal. I think she'll live. Nice. Alright. That one's usable there. Alright. Let's put this back on it. Alright. Oh, got my can. 40 can. I can get this. Alright, there's that one. Still gonna be a wasp in this one. No wasp. Oh. Reposition y'all. Alright, we'll just put that right here like this. I don't see a wasp miss, so I think we're okay. Let's pull this and see what that looks like. These plugs are a lot rustier, and there's crap. Oh, I ain't gonna be able to start it, guys. There's water in that cylinder. It is full of water. I bet it won't even turn. Let's pull the plug and see. plug came out. That's always a good sign. Okay, it's actually dry. Huh. Yeah, I'd have to pull the intake off to even try it, guys. Maybe they just fill in the intake. I don't know, but the whole bottom end could be full of water. Not looking good. A little bit of damp right there on that one, so I can't tell if that was fuel or water. Alright, we'll go ahead and tighten these up just to be safe, guys, because I don't know when I'll come back out here and work on these. Alright, last one. Ooh, there's gray water in it. Quite a bit of water in that one. Guys, I bet this motor's toast. I bet it's toast. I'll have to come out another day and try it and see, but I don't think this one's going to go anywhere. Alright, well, I bet the cover got left off because the intake there did. If this was left on, I bet it would have been fine. But oh well, darn. Darn. Oh well. Alright, we got it hooked up. Let's see if we can move it. I don't know if it's going to go good. It could flip on me. We'll find out. That'll work. Done. Third time's a charm. We'll get that moved in here to its new home and try to work on it some.